Hello, I'm Scott Douglas with MarineMax of Wrightsville Beach, and today we're aboard the Boston Whaler 345 Conquest. She's a well-equipped, full tower, triple 400 Verado engines. You'll notice in the cockpit she has the optional flip-out seats. Live well is aft. We have the pull-out grill, tackle storage, and the trash can storage here on the starboard side. Moving into the cockpit and the helm area, we have a pull-out fridge here, bait prep station here, freshwater, hot, cold water sink. Have a convertible seat on the port side that flips back so you can sit facing forward. The filler table, which makes a nice lounge area here. Twin 16-inch Raymarine screens. Joystick control with autopilot and skyhook feature. Also has the optional bow cushions. Now we're going to take a look in the cabin. The 345's cabin is spacious. The bed does split forward. It has a pop-up table. You have a nice sofa to the starboard side. And then an aft bunk as well. On the port side is the full enclosed head and shower. You'll notice she has the beautiful steel blue hull. She has just been serviced, bottom painted, and detailed. Also up top, on the tower area, you have a full set of electronics, joystick control, and the upgraded outriggers. Again, my name is Scott Douglas with MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach. If you'd like to see this boat in person, I can be reached at 910-200-9636. Thank you.